All right, let's look at the homework 3.9, problem number 2. All right, so let's try this one. All right, so we have y equals square root of 2x plus 1, and functions x and y are functions of t. All right, so let's do part A. All right, so let's go ahead and take the derivative. So from here, we take the derivative with respect to t. So d over dt. Alright, so take derivative of y would be dy over dt. Alright, then we can probably, maybe I should rewrite this. We can rewrite this square root of 2x plus 1 as quantity 2x plus 1 to the 1/2 power. Alright. So if you take the derivative of that, you get, so 1/2 is going to be in front, and keep the inside function as it is, so which is 2x plus 1, and reduce the power by 1, so it's going to be negative 1/2. Right, then multiply by derivative of inside, which is going to be 2 dx over dt. And the derivative of 1 is 0 anyway. Alright, then we can cancel. There's a 2 on top, and there's a 2 on the bottom. We can cancel those out. So you get 1 over. Alright, so it's a negative power, so 2x plus 1 sits on the bottom. Then 1/2 power is equivalent to square root. Alright. Then you have dx over dt. Alright, then we just have to plug in what we already know. So we know that, so this is going to be equal to, right, 1 over square root of, right, 2 times, right, x value is sitting right here. X is equal to 4, so we put 4 there. And plus 1, then dx over dt is 6 from here. Alright, so we just put 6 there. Alright, so this is going to be, let's see, you have 1 over square root of a plus 1, so square root of 9, so it's 3. 1 over 3, so 6 divided by 3, so that's 2. Right, so that's part A. Alright, let's go ahead and do the part B as well. So derivative exactly the same, but we are looking for dx over dt. So I'm going to actually start with this equation here, then solve for dx over dt. So we can just, let's see, maybe I'll do this here. Dy over dt is equal to that guy right there. Right. Then what we're going to do for part B is I'm going to go ahead and solve for dx over dt. So we can just multiply by square root of 2x plus 1. So that way we can cancel that guy out. So dx over dt is in by itself. So I'm going to just write that first. Dx over dt, and flip the right hand side and left hand side. So we just have to multiply by square root of 2x plus 1, and dy over dt was already there. Alright, then we just have to plug in what we have. So it's a square root of, right, 2 times, right, there is x value is given to be 12 for part B, so 12 here. And then plus 1, and multiply by dy over dt is given to be 3 right there. So I'm just going to put that guy right here, 3. Alright, so this is going to be square root of 24 plus 1, so square root of 25, it's 5 times 3, so it's 15. So that's the value of dx over dt. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we got 2 here and 15 there. Alright, Let's check the answer. Alright, it came back and looks like we got both of these guys correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.